Multiply and divide algebraic terms. Pause the video and have a go at example 1. Example 1, simplify where possible. We have a times b. When you multiply two terms together, you can just write them beside each other without the multiplication. So in part b, we can do the same thing, but we could reorder it. 3c means 3 times c, and 5c means 5 times c. So we could reorder that to be 3 times 5 times c times c. 3 times 5 is 15, and c times c is c squared. Part C, x divided by y. This number goes on the numerator, and this number goes on the denominator. So we've got x over y. Similarly, for part D, we've got 10p goes on the numerator, and the 4q goes on the denominator. But we can cancel out a common factor of 2. 10 can be divided by 2 to give 5. 4 divided by 2 to give 2. So our final answer there would be 5p divided by 2q. Part E, we've got g times g squared. Now g squared is actually g times g. So we've got g times g times g, which is g cubed. In part F, we've got minus 4m times minus 5n. Well, let's reorder that, because it's minus 4 times m times minus 5 times n. That's another way to write it. So we can bring the numbers together and do the minus 4 multiplied by the minus 5, and then look at the m multiplied by the n. 4 5s are 20, and a negative times a negative is a positive, so we just get 20. Then we do m times n, which is m n.